Right, okay, so we'll start off with the first one then. So this is a method called a method of elimination. So we'll start off with this one here. And if you want to flick through, by the way, if you find these ones easy, then go directly to the next video. And I will highlight each one when I do them. So if you know how to do the first one and you don't know how to do the second one, just click on in the video. Okay, so for the first one, then we've got 3x plus y equals 7. And 2x plus y equals 6. And in this case, we have the y's are the same amount of y's with the same sign in front in both of the lines. So what we're going to do is take away one line from the other line, and I'll take away the ones where I have smaller numbers. And 3x take away 2x is x, y take away y is going to cancel, and 7 take away 6 is equal to 1. Okay, then that answers half of the question. The other half of the question is what's y? So we found x, and what's y? Now, if we label these up, we've got 1 and we've got 2 here. Now, if we say, it looks to me like the second one is the easier of the two. So let's say sub x, so sub for substitute, sub x is equal to 1 into 2. Okay, now if we do that, we can see that we'll get 2 times 1, this thing here, plus y equals to, plus y and equals to 6, equals to 6. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus y equals 6, so y is equal to 4. If we take the 2 off both sides, you can see that makes it work. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so that's the answer to the first of the questions. Now I'm going to do the same process for the others. Actually, let's do the one underneath. We do this one here. So in this case, I can see that the y's are the same and they have the same sign in front as well. So I'm going to take the smaller numbers away from the bigger ones. So x away from 3x is 2x, y away from y cancels, and 12 away from 24 is 12. So x is equal to 6. Now I'm going to choose to put in, I've got 1 and 2. So now I'm going to put x equals to 6 in 2. And then you're going to get out 6 plus 2y equals 12. If I take 6 off both sides, I get 2y is equal to 6. And then I need to just divide by 2, and I'll get y is equal to 3. Okay, so that's question number 2, one underneath. Now let's do this one here. Okay, now in this case, you can see that we have the same amount of y's. So we've got one y in each case, but one is plus and one is minus. So when we add those together, they're going to disappear. You know, if you do something like 4 plus minus 4, that will give you 0. So the same when you do y plus minus y, that will also give you 0. Okay, so what we're going to do then is add the two lines here. 2x plus x is 3x. This is going to cancel, and 21 plus 6 is 27. Now we've got 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now again, we can substitute that into one of these equations. I'm just going to make it a bit quicker here. I'm going to use the second one. So the second one, number 2, I'm going to say 9 take away y. So what we've done there is we put the 9 in for the x there. So 9 take away y is 6. And then from my point of view here, I just think, well, what do I take away from 9 to get 6? And the answer must be 3. But if you need to solve this, then you'll take away 9 from both sides, and you get minus 3. And then you divide by minus 1. Divide by minus 1 will give you 3. But it's easier to think about by just doing 9 take away what is 6. Okay, and the final one of these then, this one here, we can still see that we've got plus 3y and minus 3y there. So when we add them together, they're going to disappear. Okay, plus 3y take away 3y. So plus take away 3y gives us 0y. So when we add these together, we'll get 11x is equal to 22. Divide by 11, we'll get x is equal to 2. And then we can substitute into either one of those equations. Maybe I'll choose the first one. So this one here. And so I'll have 8 times by 2 plus 3y equals 19. So now I've got 16 plus 3y is 19. Take away the 16, and I'll get 3y is equal to 3, and then y is equal to 1 when I divide by 3. Okay, guys, well, I'm going to do separate videos for the next set of questions, each next set of questions. So thank you for listening.